Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu oatmeal. First, let's prepare the oatmeal base. Combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your preferred milk in a saucepan. Stir in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and a small pinch of salt. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the oatmeal reaches a creamy, thick consistency. This forms the perfect foundation for our delicious tiramisu-inspired breakfast. Next, we'll infuse our oatmeal with coffee and prepare the creamy layer. Brew 1/4 cup of strong coffee or espresso and let it cool slightly. In a separate bowl, combine 4 ounces of mascarpone cheese with 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, like powdered sugar or maple syrup. Whisk in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. This rich cream will be a key component. Now it's time to assemble our tiramisu oatmeal. Divide the cooked oatmeal evenly into 2 small jars or serving bowls. Drizzle half of the cooled coffee or espresso over each portion of oatmeal, allowing it to soak in. Then, top each with a generous layer of the prepared mascarpone cream. Cover the jars or bowls and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches before enjoying this delightful treat. Once chilled, remove your tiramisu oatmeal from the refrigerator. Dust the top of each serving with about 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a few chocolate shavings or a whole coffee bean. This makes a fantastic breakfast or dessert. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oatmeal water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.